Hello people, another update on my ML journey. So I'm done with NumPy and I went ahead to complete Pandas, Seaborn and Matplotlib. So the thing now is I'm done with Python and its core libraries as stated in my ML roadmap. And then I moved over to math and its math fundamentals. I went over linear algebra, probability, calculus, and statistics. Well, the thing is, statistics, it's not like statistics is hard, but there were some things that I could not get. There are some things I did not get, right? I just could not understand them. Just a few things, but I'm still going to get it. So then after that, I moved over to ML proper because I've been doing the basic things, just Python analytical libraries and math. So I moved over to ML proper, and then I looked at supervised learning and unsupervised learning. I'm focusing on these two for now. Now, when I started it, the thing is, I wanted to learn the whole supervised learning algorithms in a week. Like, my head was scattered. I wanted to learn everything in a week, but I couldn't. The only thing I could get was regression, linear regression, logistic regression, and polynomial regression. Those are the only things I could really understand because I was trying to study everything and get it, but it wasn't easy. I discovered that I was getting ahead of myself, and then I decided to reduce my pace, and then I focused on these ones, and then I learned. So then I practiced with a dataset I got from Kaggle. I practiced a house price prediction model. I tried building it, and then it worked. It worked. But before then, while I was learning Pandas, Matplotlib, and Seaborn, I also worked on the data. A student performance data. I analyzed what affects student performance and all that. Yes, I'm going to link it down below so you can check it out. And now back to supervised learning. I practice with a model that is house price prediction. I'm going to be posting how I built that model in the next video. Yes, I worked on it and this is how it looks like. It looks like this. It's actually beautiful because I was feeling so proud of myself. I'm just starting out and I was able to do something do something this good. And yeah, that's it. So this is all for now for this week. I'll also be updating you all on supervised learning and when I move into model evaluation and all that, and deployment proper, and then CNNS and all the rest of them. Yeah, thank you all for watching.